Hello, I am futurist Amelia Kallman. Welcome to issue number 46 of The Big Reveal. Thank you so much for joining me. I have really enjoyed speaking at IBC 2022, as well as the Allegra Tech meeting and the XR Summit, as well as being a judge at the AV Awards and a mentor at All Tech is Human. I am looking forward to being a speaker at AWE in Lisbon, as well as at Shelton Fleming's Future Hack, and also doing a TEDx talk. So do check out my website. Also, I have lots of new content on my YouTube channel and a couple new episodes of XR Star that you do not want to miss. So without further ado, let's get started. VR surgery. So, a medical team in London was able to collaborate with a medical team in Brazil using 3D printed models and virtual reality to successfully separate conjoined 3-year-old twins who were joined at the head. So, using 3D printed models of the intertwined brains and then practicing in virtual reality with live instructions from the team in London who had done a procedure like this that was similar and successful, the team on the ground in Rio were successfully able to separate the twins. And I'm happy to report that the twins are doing well. Variable rate GDAs. In regards to scarcity, when virtual land mimics physical land too closely, this can lead to over speculation that can kill games, tokens, and metaverses. One potential solution is variable rate gradual Dutch auctions, or VRGDAs. So, this is when NFT issuers can increase prices if sales are going ahead of schedule or decrease prices if sales are slower than predicted. This model is currently being tested, and it could be a potential solution for creating more sustainable marketplaces. Otherworld. Otherworld is opening an immersive art attraction in Philadelphia that will feature more than 55 unique rooms of interactive art installations and mixed reality experiences. So, following success in Ohio, guests will be able to roam the 40,000 square foot space at their own pace and interact with surreal worlds of science fiction and fantasy brought to life by over 100 artists and technologists who've come together to collaborate on this project and using new technologies such as XR, body tracking, haptics, and holograms. So, really looking forward to seeing more about this new kind of immersive entertainment experience. Roblox 3D portals. Roblox have introduced a new in game advertising format, immersive ads, which allows brands to create 3D portals into custom branded virtual worlds. Nike, Gucci, Vans, Gap have all been collaborating with Roblox, who have 58.5 million daily users of mostly Gen Z and Gen Alpha. So this could be a glimpse at what the future of an interoperable metaverse could look like. And it also opens up new opportunities for brands to work with user-generated content. Reach VR. Reach VR is the first web platform for creating, remixing, and sharing volumetric VR using real people and real places. Emblematic Group's platform allows anyone to make immersive, volumetric VR experiences and then share them via a web link. So you have a simple drag and drop user interface that allows you to place real people in real environments. And then you can share the results with your friends. So you can sign up today to be a beta tester. Federated Learning. Federated learning is a collaborative method for training machine learning models that safeguards data and keeps it private. So hundreds or thousands of users will train their own model on their own devices using their own data. And then they will send it anonymously to a central database that will then combine the data to produce a better model that can then be sent back for users to use. Worldwide wind. Worldwide wind has a new kind of floating vertical access wind turbine that has the potential to revolutionize the way we capture and utilize wind power. It uses two sets of tilting contra rotating blades to deliver twice the output of the largest turbines that we use today. So the company claims that their gigantic turbines, which can scale up to 400 meters in height, have the capacity to unlock unparalleled power and could significantly lower renewable energy costs. Zuke AR. Zuke AR is an augmented reality platform for communication, marketing, and sales in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. Simply upload a 3D model into the app and then scale it for life size visualization and virtual tours. Bringing AEC industry into the metaverse, Zuke AR allows users to place designs in real life locations and preview true to size before ever breaking ground. Ultrasound Band-aids. MIT engineers have developed stamp size ultrasound adhesives that can see into the body to produce clear images of the heart, lungs, and other internal organs. This new, safe, non invasive design means that we can provide continuous ultrasound imaging for up to 48 hours. And it also could make the technology as accessible as picking up some band aids at the pharmacy. Teeth bots. Just when you think some things can't be automated, scientists at the University of Pennsylvania have created micro robots that can brush and floss your teeth for you. Arranged in bristle like structures, a robotic microswarm of iron oxide nanoparticles removes plaque from teeth, automating the repetitive but very important daily duty of brushing and flossing. The bots have been proven to nearly eliminate the sticky biofilms that lead to cavities and gum disease. So that's all I have for you this month. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Take care.